Okay, good morning students. In the previous video we can I given the some activity about the plant, and I think all of you done that activity. Take a plant and in the different parts we have to attach in the A4 sheets and write their names. This is about the 6th standard activity class. Okay, once you can understand about the plant parts, the parts of the plants. Okay, you know that root, stem, and leaves, fruit. Okay, these are the important parts of the plant, and these parts of the plants help in the growth of the plants. Root absorbs the water and minerals. Stem help in the supporting and transportation of food and the water and minerals. Leaves help in the production of food. The leaf is also called as the kitchen house of the plant, and here the food will be prepared. And the fruits help in the storing of a food. Okay, these all you can learn in the previous classes, but today class what you get the food in your home. No, you are getting the food when your mother prepared food. Where that food will be comes from? Once you can think where you can in the kitchen you can have the food items like vegetables and fruits and food grains. Okay, all you can see in the kitchen. Where you get the vegetables? You can have different types of vegetables: brinjal, potato, carrot, beetroot. All these vegetables, where it comes from? And another one, fruits. Different types of fruits you are eating, no? Apple, banana, mango, and all where they are come. And another one, food grains. It may be rice, it may be jawar, it may be wheat. All the grains you can consider as the grains where these veg, fruits and grains will be coming. Think once where you are getting all these. Okay, where you are getting? Okay, you can now think about the where vegetables, fruits and the grains are coming. You are making the salad from the fruits, you are making the different types of tasty vegetables or curry in your home. Where they getting, that is called as source of a food. Source of a food. Where you are getting all these you are getting from the plants. This is, plants are the sources of the food. Plants are the sources of the food. Okay, you are having the different types of plants are there, no, in your surrounding, in the field. Some grains are growing in the field. Okay, here these plants are the main source of the food. Main source of the food. You can think that some animals, they are not eating the vegetables. Like tiger is there, some cruel animals are there, fox is there. That some they are not eating the plants, but they are eating only the and other animals. Those are also called as carnivorous animals. But most of the animals, they are depends upon the food, plants for the food. So the sources of the food in the important one is the plants. First one is the plants and second one is the animals. When you come to the plants, how the plants are prepare the food? How the plants are prepare the food? Okay, plants preparing the food in the process photosynthesis, and these are having another name that is called autotrophs. Autotrophs. The plants which are preparing their own food. They are not depend on the others. We are depend on the plant, but plants are not depend on the any other things. So they are called as autotrophs. And the animals which are eating, they are not preparing any food, no, they are depend on the plants and other animals. Those are called heterotrophs. Heterotrophs. Okay, animals or the living things which are preparing the food, they are called autotrophs. Which are not preparing the food, they are depend on other plants or the animal, those are called heterotrophs. Okay, in this class we can discuss about the autotrophs and the heterotrophs. Another one category is there, they are not preparing the food, they are not depend upon the others also, but they are depends on the dead particles. Dead particles, those are called saprophytes. Saprophytes or parasites. In saprophyte again you have the other categories. In the saprophyte we are having the some other categories. Mainly the plants are called as herbivorous and the autotrophs, the which are eating the plant, they are called herbivorous, and animals which are depend upon the plant and other animals, those are called as heterotrophs. When you consider the human beings are coming in the heterotrophs. They are not preparing the food, they consume the food from the plants and they eat the animals also. What is the today's activity? You can think, no? What is the today's activity? You have to differentiate the animals which are eating, preparing the food, and the which are not preparing the food. They are depends upon the other animals. Take the A4 sheet and categorize the plants and the animals which are depends directly on the plants, which are not depends upon the plant, they are eating the animals. Make the group in surrounding, your surrounding, what are the animals are there, including human beings, what they eat, what they get. Okay, how the sources of food will be taken from the, they are taking the source food from the plants or the animals. Okay, this is the today's activity. You can think over it and get the information from your elders and the net, and you have to divide the surrounding animals. So minimum 5 animals you have to write, 5 to 10 animals name you have to write, which are heterotrophs, which are autotrophs. In the autotrophs, including all the plants, you can have the algae, we can say that green algae, this also comes under autotrophs. Okay, this is about the today's class. In the next class we can discuss about the more about the saprophytes and different types of different consumers. Okay, if you have not taken the textbooks, once you can meet in the school premise and take your books, and 1 week we have the bridge course is there. You can have some information about the previous and this year, then you can go through the textbook. Okay, now today's topic in the name the plants or the name the animals which are having the nutrition from the plants, which are having the nutrition from the animal. Minimum 5 to 10 animals name you have to write. Okay, that is goodbye.